Welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Let me know down below how your day is going. And as you can see from the description, today we are opening our March 2019 EarFleek. EarFleek is a monthly earring subscription, and it is probably one of the cheapest subscriptions you can get. It is $3.49 a month, and you get one pair of earrings. I'm kind of on the fence as to whether or not I will continue past this month, just because I've been getting it for about 9 or 10 months, and even though it's only $3.49, I don't need but so many pairs of earrings, and I have other jewelry subscriptions that also include like a necklace and bracelet that I would just rather keep. So I don't know. I'm on the fence about it. So I may cancel, I may not, I don't know. If you are trying to build up an earring collection, this definitely is for you. Like I said, it's only $3.49. You can choose also the types of earrings that you like. They have simple and fun. They have boho babe, which is what I get. They're usually more dangly, which is what I like. And there was like minimalist but groovy, I think, is the other option. And they do now have, which is really awesome, you can go in every month and like swipe left, swipe right to vote on earrings that you like and that you don't like. So they'll only send you what you prefer. So that's pretty awesome. I'll put a link down below if you'd like to sign up. But let's go ahead and open and see what I got for March. And they do always include a cute little card, and it just says here, it says, did you know, swipe through our inventory and get what you love. Log into earfleek.com and click the link at the bottom of the page to play today. So there is the card. And like I said, I get boho babe. I actually forgot to go in, to be honest, this past month and do the swipe left, swipe right. So I guess I just got a random pair of boho babe style earrings, and they look different than anything I've got, that is for sure. They do always come in a little plastic, like Ziploc type bag. And they're like nickel free. I have very sensitive ears, and I've never had any issues with any of the EarFleek earrings irritating my ears. So that's great too. But these look like furry. These look interesting. Yeah, I definitely do not have anything like this. And these are kind of fun, I'll be honest. You can see there's like a gray furry and then like this blue, almost like velvet, like a navy blue ball. So here, and they have a little bit, it looks like a sparkle. It catches the light. So these are actually cute, and I actually don't have earrings on, so we'll put them in. So this is what they look like. So they twist around the back. The back side is silver, so they're not fur all the way around. So that is like, they are definitely fun and different. So I'm happy with them. Like I said, I'm still on the fence though as to whether or not I will continue EarFleek going forward. Let me know what you guys think. You know, I feel like I said 9 to 10 months is pretty good. Like I said, I do have other jewelry subscriptions where I do also receive earrings, and a girl can only wear so many earrings. So, but yep, this was the March 2019 EarFleek. Again, let me know down below what you guys think, how your day is going, and do please make sure, if you are new and you love unboxing and haul, like makeup haul videos and review videos, do hit that subscribe button. We are getting close to 2,000 subscribers, and once we do, we're going to have a really awesome giveaway. So make sure you hit that button and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. And again, as always, I love hearing from you guys, so please make sure to leave a comment down below. I'm stumbling through my words. But again, I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you guys with the next one. Bye.